Hi guys, this is me Shweta back again with an amazing video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the huge carnival sale by Purple which is live from 22nd June. So let me tell you about the carnival. So this is the Purple Carnival in which you will get up to 50% discount on various products on Purple. Also you may win an iPhone using the code. Also, you will get 40% off on WOW products when you shop for rupees 300, and on Maybelline products you will get 40% discount. On products from Good Vibes, Alpha Goodness, NY Bay and Stay Quirky, you will get flat 30% off. So let me tell you about the products that I have purchased for myself during this carnival, and I'll tell you one by one their specifications too. So before we proceed further, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy the sale that is going on Purple. Hi guys, so let me show you the products that I've purchased from Good Vibes. From the Purple Carnival sale. The details I've already mentioned, so I'll also mention all the details in my link, that is the description box down below, so go check it out and don't miss this carnival. It's super amazing, various offers. So let's get dive into all the products from Good Vibes. So the first product is this age defying face serum by Good Vibes with vitamin C and E, and let me show you the texture of this product. So it comes in this blue bottle. This is the bottle and it has a cap on it. Just remove. Okay, so it is like this. Now I'll pump it a little bit and let me show you the texture. Okay, so this is the running consistency. I can feel it, and yeah, it smells very amazing, very light fragrance, not too strong and harsh. I don't like that kind of perfume, that kind of smell into any product. So this is the serum. See how it glides onto the skin very nicely. So this is the first product. The second product is this that I purchased is Good Vibes Argan Oil Hair Fall Control Vitalizing Serum. As I have a lot of issues related to my hair fall, so I thought let's buy this. Let's get this product, and it's written it has no parabens, no sulfate and cruelty free. All the products from Good Vibes are they don't have any sulfate, no parabens, and it is totally cruelty free. So the best. Now I'll show you the serum. So this is the pump and this is the cap. Now let me show you how it is. I'll take a little bit. Okay, so this is the serum. If you can see, I'll show you how to apply it onto your hair. So wow, it smells so good, and see, it's not that sticky that it will make your hair greasy. It's not like that. It's very lightweight and gently you can apply it onto your scalp. So I am applying it onto my scalp, a little bit on my hairs because I feel it's very shiny as well as very smooth and gliding onto my hairs so easily. So this is the serum. The other product that I have purchased is this Keratin Frizz Free Hair Mist by Good Vibes, and it is for 50 ml, no parabens, cruelty free. And what you have to do is just take it a little bit farther from your hairs and just spray it like this. Wow, again the smell, the perfume, the fragrance of this hair mist is just amazing, and it is for 190 rupees, and it has purified water and sugarcane, wow, green tea extract, everything, cucumber extract, brahmi extract, shikakai extract. Very nice products. I love it. I love the ingredients of this product. This is the hair mist. The two products is this. Well, now what is this? This is the Good Vibes Onion Hair Foil Control Shampoo with keratin for shine, corn for health, wheat protein for strength, soy for moisturizer, 200 ml bottle, and this one is your almond and wheat germ cold press oil for hair and skin, made with 100% natural oil and no added fragrance. So this is the shampoo and the oil. Now let me show these products one by one. So this is the onion hair fall shampoo. Let me show you a little bit onto my hand so that you can see the texture of the product. So this is the white shampoo. This is like this kind of texture. As you can see, doesn't smell like onion. It smells like it is onion hair oil, hair fall control shampoo, but see the texture. Smells amazing. Oh my god. And yes, it again, it is for hair fall control. So as I've already told you, I have some hair problem, so I thought let's buy this. Cold pressed oil for hair and skin, made with 100% natural oil, no added fragrance, no sulfate, no silicone, no animal testing, and it is for 235 rupees for an 100 ml bottle. What else do you want? So let me show you how it is. So this is the bottle. Let me try to get a few. Okay, wow. So this is the way you apply it. You can apply it directly to your hairs and see the texture. Not at all too greasy like other oils. Smells very light and very nice, almond and wheat germ. So this is the almond oil. Let me show you a little bit on applying onto my hairs. So see, it's not that greasy. See, it's very nice, very lightweight. This is the oil. You can see, applying it onto my, and this is my favorite hair mask from Good Vibes, and again it is onion hair fall control hair mask. So these are all the products for hair control, and you can find all the other products also from Good Vibes. Their sale is going on, and I've already see the texture. This is the hair mask. Once you have applied shampoo, once you have rinsed your hairs, then apply this hair mask and wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then just rinse it off. So this is it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and that's all for today. Go and check this purple sale right now.